What are you most excited about in terms of trends around data science within maintenance and reliability for our future?
I'm excited about a lot of things. Anyone who starts getting dirty in maintenance work order data in the CMMS starts noticing is that there's a lot of data quality problems with miscoded data, missing codes, especially missing codes that people most want to have values for to use the data. And every time you start to look at data, inevitably you start reading description fields. Always. Anytime you look at, you just start reading the description fields, going, yeah, I replaced this broke. What someone wrote. And it soon became pretty clear to me that the way that this historical data was really going to be fully leveraged and utilized in business processes is to come up with devise ways that could leverage these description fields in ways that made sense. So I've been working in that area for years. A lot of people agreed with me. And most excitingly, in the past couple of years, I've been formally collaborating with university and academia. So university being University of Western Australia in Perth, and government NIST, the National Institute of Standards and Technology. And we've proposed in the past calling it a special subfield called technical language processing, which uses tools from natural language processing, but more specific to technical language. And so formalizing the needs for having a subfield means that we can then start to actually develop tools that move forward for technical language. And that's really exciting to me because we need to stop taking a bunch of data and shoving it in out of the box stuff we download off the internet instead of coming up with formal solutions that are tailored for industry needs. You could think of it's digital because it's in your computer, but it's not machine readable. These tools that can make it machine readable is because it's sitting there. Like think about the hundreds and millions of work orders that are, quote, underutilized because all this data is being stored somewhere and it can't be used in business processes.
Yeah.
And it's not even just maintenance work orders, procedures, operator logs, inspections, equipment descriptions, traceability data in manufacturing. It's abundant, and having a formal framework of ways to use this data and inject it in business processes, I really see in the next 10 years, it's going to be going from nice to have to need to have for a lot of these industrial businesses to retain a competitive edge.